Have you ever wondered how all the things around us are shaped and manufactured?
Shaping of materials is key for the production of every object that surrounds us. Driven by the fourth industrial revolution, new and complex structures require novel manufacturing techniques such as 3D printing. However, the range of high-performance printable materials is still very limited.
With our new, very exciting process, we overcome these limitations by combining well-established molding with 3D printing of sacrificial templates. Our micron-size resolution templates are printed with an ink containing salt. After printing, the objects are washed before they are exposed to heat to reach their final properties. After the infiltrated material is solidified, the salt can just be dissolved in water and the final object is obtained. Our templates are customizable, highly temperature stable, they exhibit a smooth surface finish and can simply be washed away with water.
Our salt templates allow for fast and precise manufacturing of magnesium scaffolds. Such scaffolds are highly desired as bioresorbable bone defect replacements.
2 years ago, I got 8 centimeters of my tibia resected due to a cancer. Now, all state-of-the-art implants would have required further operations along the line. These new magnesium implants, though, are really interesting. They would have shortened my rehabilitation significantly, and they would have brought me back to normality much faster.
While we see great potential in our process for biomedical scaffolds, our templates could also be used as soluble aluminum cores or for highly flexible silicon parts. We want materials to reach their full potential, so let's revolutionize material processing together.